Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect summer dress, then look no further. I've got it right here. This dress is awesome. It is from Bequemer, Laden, and this is a summer floral dress that you can really wear anywhere. So the great thing about this dress is the comfort. It is so light and so airy. It's perfect for the summertime. You could wear this on a beach vacation, but you could also wear this out to lunch, and it would seamlessly go from day to night. You can absolutely dress it up, you can dress it down, so many options. I love the floral pattern on this dress. This color is called dark blue, and I chose the size medium, and I typically wear about a 4 to a 6 depending on the style. So the medium fits me with a little bit of extra room so that it's really nice and flowy, and I don't have to worry about it being too tight. So I love these really beautiful ruffle sleeves that give a nice little bit of visual interest. And I just love the way that this skirt flows and is so comfortable. So I am about 5'2", and this is basically a maxi dress for me. But if you have a little bit more height to you, then this would probably fall about your mid-calf and also looks super cute. So I love that you can also pair this with a jacket or a sweater. You can pair it with heels. You can add a different belt than the wrap tie that comes with it. So many different options, and really just make this dress pop. So if you're ready to find the perfect summer dress, then I would definitely recommend this one. It is adorable. It is really well made. It's a high quality dress and so comfortable, and that's my point of view.